Welcome to this video on how to operate the Jetwashers.
Okay, so each machine is fitted with a 3000 psi jet wash. It's a 3-phase electric jet wash. It's not diesel. Power supply's up there. On each one, it's the same thing. And it doesn't start automatically. You have to start it here. So there's a few things to the startup. You have to have the power on, which is usually always on. Hit start. The generator has to be on, obviously, and it should start. That's starting. Now if we go over here, the next part of the equation is the water supply. If you look up there, you can see a red tank. That is filled up with fresh water. Currently it's very low, so my demonstration won't be that good, but that needs to be filled up periodically. Out of that tank, is the pump, which is the supply pump. That's temporarily set up onto this side, and that should be switched on this red switch. And sometimes we need to hit a restart button. So you can hear that pump starting. That's building up pressure. So, and how do we refill with water? It's 400 litre tank. Depending on washing, the jet wash uses 17 litres per minute. So at flat out, it's only like 20 minutes worth of water, but periodically it's quite longer. So yeah, it could last as minimum as 20 minutes if we're going flat out. I'll show you now just the jet wash wand. So if we come down here, key thing about the jet wash, these are one of the most important things on the machine because we've got to constantly wash the concrete, but it's got a turbo nozzle. Now, just one thing to note with this nozzle, and this happens all the time, these blue covers are just protection. Inside is a ceramic nozzle, which is very brittle, and so these usually get smashed off. People use the jet wash to smash concrete off, which it shouldn't be used. So that's what this cover's for. But to stop this cover from coming off all the time, we've added a hose clamp on here so it should stay on. If the jet wash is playing up, it's most likely that the nozzle is worn out or the pressure relief valve has rusted out due to the salty water. So they're the two common problems, or it's simply run out of water in the tank. So if we look after the jet wash and we don't treat it like a crowbar, it'll last. And it's really critical that we do little and often washing before the concrete dries and goes hard. A quick squirt and it's an easy job. Thank you.